Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I received a message someone want to know how to print document from laptop to printer. To do this, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to make sure your laptop and printer are connected to the same network. Then you need to go to File Explorer. Once you select File Explorer, then you need to go to where you save the document. Okay, and the document I want to print out is PDF document. Open it up. This is the document I want to print out. Okay, and to print this document out, then the next thing to do, you need to go on top. You will see, okay, printer image. Okay, you will see print, or you select Ctrl+P, okay, from your keypad. Okay, so select the print. Now it will take you to the next thing to do. You need to also select the printer from this end. Okay, so we have Canon MG3650 series. Then the next thing to do is you need to scroll down and select it. Then select, and it will show you that the printer is ready. Okay, so select Canon MG3650 series. Then select how many copies, and also you need to select portrait or landscape. Then how many pages. Then the next thing is all pages. Okay, portrait, all pages. Now scroll down to select the color, black and white or color. So we are selecting this color. Then also print on both sides. Select print on both sides. Scroll down to select print on both sides, long edge. Now the next thing to do is select print. Now this document now is going to print out here. So it's going back in because we selected to print it double-sided. So this is the document, okay, we printed out. Okay, now another way to print this document out from the computer is you need to go to this printer, and the laptop is connected to the same network. Then you go to Image Garden, open up Image Garden. This is another way to, okay, when you open up Image Garden, then for instance, you open up Image Garden. This is Image Garden. Then you need to go to select print. Okay, when you select print, so scroll down to look for documents. Okay, when you select print, then you scroll down to look for document, and this is the document you want to print out. Okay, and now to print this document out, you need to go on top. Okay, go on top, select file, then select print. Now the next thing to do is you need to make sure you select the correct printer here. And also the size, media type, plain paper. The printer is MG3650 series. Is already highlighting. Okay, so the next thing to do, once you fill out the details you need to do, then you select print. Now this document is going to print. This is the first one. this is the last but not the least. So guys, this is how to print document from your laptop to Canon printer. I received this question. Someone want to know how to print document from laptop or computer to HP printer. There are two ways to do this. Okay, to print document from your computer to HP printer, what you need to do is you need to make sure your computer and the printer both are connected to the same network. Okay, and when both are connected to the same network, what you need to do is you need to go to the file. Okay, so go to your file, and now the next thing to do is you go to the document, open the document up. Okay, now this is the document we want to print out. Okay, for instance, now on top of it, okay, on top you will see printer image. You will see print or save. So select print. When you select print, then you need to, from the printer on top, you need to select the correct printer. This printer is HP printer, so we need to scroll down from the list and look for HP inkjet 2700 series. Okay, so what we are looking for is HP inkjet 2700 series. Okay, and it will tell you the printer is ready. Here it is ready. HP inkjet 2700 series is ready. Now the next thing to do is you need to select how many copies of document you want, and also select the layout. You can have it landscape. This is landscape, and this is portrait. Now the next is for you to select how many copies you want to print out. You can select all or odd page only. Odd page is for you to print page 1, page 3. Then even page is for you to print page 2, page 4, page 6. Okay, you can also select the color. Now the color, you can select black and white or color, so you select color for it, for instance. Now another option is print on both sides. Okay, so with this printer now, it's showing us from, okay, showing us print on both sides. I'm not sure whether you're able to print from the both sides, but we want to try it to see if we can be able to print on both sides. Okay, print on both sides and select print. Okay, and once it's telling us the first set of document is printing, when printing is complete, reinsert the printed page into the tray as shown. Okay, so now what we need to do is you need to take this end, okay, and put it back inside for you to print double-sided with it. Okay, and the next thing to do is select, once you're ready, select continue. So now this document is, you can see, is going to print the other side. So some printers will give you option for you, they will do this automatically. They will print the first one and go back inside to print the second one, but in this case you do it manually. Here we go. So you can see the document we printed out. This is the first one and second one. So we printed out double-sided. Another way to print a document from this print from your computer, okay, to HP printer is for you to go to HP Smart App. Okay, this printer is connected to HP Smart App. So I'm going to type HP Smart App. Okay, and this HP Smart App. So now to print a document, you select print document, and select OK. It will ask you supported file, select OK. Now you select the document you want to print, so go to your document. Okay, so now it's in document, then you need to scroll down and look for the document you want to print out, and scroll down to the file for the document you want to. So what I'm doing now is looking for the document you want to print out. Okay, you can select any particular document this image, okay, and this is the document. This is the first and second one, okay. The other thing you need to do is you need to make sure you select the correct printer, okay. Select the correct printer and select print. So you can also select the portrait, okay, and also select the correct paper, A4 paper, and paper type is plain paper, output is normal, how many copies, okay, and also this one is print on one side instead of printing on both sides, and printing all pages as well. You can select more option. If you select more option, it will ask you to select the color orientation, okay. Select the color, click OK, or quality, and once you're done that, select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, so this is the document we printed out from computer to HP printer. So these are ways to do this, okay, by selecting the file, or you select print document from HP Smart app on your computer. You can also go to the file and select print, select the document you want to print, and look for available printer. In this case, HP DeskJet. Select the printer and send the job to the printer to print it out, okay. And also you are able to print double-sided, whereby you print the double-sided and turn it the other way around and print the second one. Some printer, like I mentioned earlier, some printer will allow you to do the automatic double-sided printing. They will turn it, when they print one side, they will go back inside and turn the other side. But in this case, you have to do it by yourself. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.